Well guys, I've been forming that piece to go above that piece, and I've decided enough's enough. I'm just going to make it out of one piece. So I get to start all over. Good thing there's not a time crunch on this car. It does fit in there pretty good. There's just too much rotten metal around it. So, let's see if I can make one piece. Okay, new pattern. Put a 1/2 inch on there for the lip. And it should cover everything. Yep, I'm done making it out of 2 pieces. Gonna just do it and fix it right. Alrighty. Okay. I don't know. For anybody that doesn't know, you can just beat this stuff into place. So that's the first patch I made, and it's not big enough, so I'm gonna make another patch. I already showed you the pattern I took. I drew that out on the panel. I'll cut it off and I'll start bending it. Okay, so I got my piece cut out, and that's about the lip. Just found something straight, kind of straight. Run a edge on it, and I'll get her bent up and see where we're at. Well, luckily my vise was all the way across, wide enough to do that panel. So that's the first bend. Now I gotta do the second bend. My line might not have been perfectly straight, but with it fitting the vise like that, I was able to fold it over. So now I gotta fold it back. Took me a second to remember how I did that, but that's how I did it. Put in the vise like that, and then I could bend it back again. So we'll see how it turns out. Alrighty. Now I just gotta make it fit the panel. That's basically how I can bend stuff up on here. I don't have special tools, so now I can go see how close I am and start bending and tweaking till it fits. So we'll see. Well, and then I just keep forming it to where it fits. It's close, but it needs a little more tweaking. But yeah, that's all I do. Started off in the vise, and then I just hammer, dolly, do whatever I got to get it into the shape I need. A little more tweaking, I'll have her. Alrighty, guys. And then after all that bending, pounding, twisting, fitting, that's all I end up with a patch panel. I don't know if it'll help anybody else out, but that's how I do it. Alrighty, guys.